Oh, so you only get the little push will be 25%. Oh, no.
25% is probably that's margin.
But you get only a push
I only get a
rate.
portion.
And then they'll
And
pay you back
they're writing it down. Like, if I get 21 though, and after the house is paid, all the story. Alright, come on.
In headlines.
Sure, buddy. Cool.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. One of those three. Emma. They won the green. Emma. Yeah, Emma. That's my favorite. What is this? No, because the eyes red is over. Yeah, I think they did. Yeah, it's Emma's house. Speak loudly, kids. Awesome! It looks like a warm up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try scoring 3
Have a good one. Yeah, man. See you later. See you guys. See ya.
Yeah, but I'll have to go home to sleep.
Dust in the furniture or something. He can't.
We're right over there.
Thank goodness.
I bet you can.
You think? Yeah.
Through his earmuffs.
And
I'm not
I
that
will
loud.
take somewhere alone tomorrow.
Oh, nice hit there.
Ah.
Gotta figure out now.
You have to get. I don't know what is. Did Emma leave?
Huh? You picking her up?
Dude, you're taking
Oh, my brother's here and I'm gonna take my brother
Take
home.
it, yeah, that. I brought it, dude.
Don't get
Too bad, son. I was one time trying to get back. Mike must come back. Somehow did he?
Oh my goodness, that
He was like a weak ass throw down at his feet.
no shit.
There were 3 chicks. The hottest chicks you ever want to see. And they had a Hamilton, Alabama, New Jersey. Oh, they had almost Jersey.
Like that.
Cross now from right to left. Teenagers. Just there. These guys. These girls. Boys, girls. Girls.
Ja, så är det bra.
I'm going to pretend to get volleyball again, so don't freak out.
Is he your mate? No, he's good.